some people see that odinana enwere. What is your take on that?
Thank you. We used to hear some of those abracadabra because I call it arrant nonsense because the person don't actually understand how things work. What is Oka? What is Odinana? Then that a group of people that believe in one concept or the otherwise decided to be coming together for fellowship so that they will be able to be a helping hand to people and to protect their own interests. There are so many benefits you benefit from coming together as a group in fellowship. Enwelo mbaga adarege ihe niile ka brethren kubi okwu n'isi. Yes. When ke adara oburu nke ihe asọbụ n'onwe gị, but I can tell you na igwebike ihe maro the importance of coming together to pray or to make sacrifice is that aburu na anoro n'igwe na achụ aja ma na ekwubi okwu in fellowship, the highest person there in spiritual hierarchy will elevate others. Among the highest person in spiritual maturity in this height, every other person via supplication and prayers will be on the same height with the most matured mind there. Manobuna on personal division. If your spiritual level is very low, you remain low. So, here the material na only will a dirty note of maybe 1,000 naira dirty note. Yes, maybe it turns somehow. If we reagent and can one in a provision to buy something, the woman might reject it. Yes. But I can tell you, already the same note, put it in a bundle of 1,000 naira note, and go to the same woman. You bought so many things. Now, and the woman gave the money, the bundle of that money. The woman counted all of them. I can tell you, there were greater chances that the woman will overlook that dirty note among them. The one group of people come in prayer in supplication to go get can actually overlook dirty people with dirty mind or people that are very low spiritually and accept all the prayers. Come on, that. But for forgiveness, I might walk the person away out. But some of my friends, all of them walk in together. Well, they are man of the person, but for the fact no one I'll welcome all of them. And probably those people will now plead on the person's behalf. And by then, because of the presence of those people that came together with the person, I might decide to forgive the person. The way he got there. So that is the importance of coming together. One of the methods our people use all the days is that ordinary people don't want to practice ordinary individually, which is wrong. And no other but no if one man practice ordinary and babugi, they are village, they are clan. Nobody can defend you because you are is one man song show. Manobo ordinary people be a form as umbrella body as a group. Everyone by the local name or to the intimidation Anambra State at that time. But when they began to unite themselves and they become a body, then they began to defend themselves as a group, as a body. So what I'm saying is the essence is that it's very important to have odinana for primary purpose and all the same concept merundoka to form Christianity during their own time by coming together. Thank you.